How to fix bad image error in Windows. Hey guys, it's me Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with this video. So if you are facing this error, first and foremost go and tap in the search bar and you have to search for cmd command prompt, and you can run it as an administrator by right click. Now once the tab is opened, make sure to maximize it first. Now you have to write a code here. Let me link this code. You have to type sfc/scan now, and this will scan all of the trouble or errors in your PC that is causing the bad image. And mind it will take 10 to 15 minutes. This is because it has to be 200% complete. And once it is done completing or scanning, just you have to restart your PC. So moving on with this video, let's us assume that 200% is complete now. So what we will do is we will head back of it and then we will restart our PC. And once we log in back to our PC, the error must be gone. If not, there is a second step. Again, what you have to do is go into the search bar and again search for cmd command prompt and run as administrator. Now once you are here, you have to write a specific code now, which I will link right here. Just go ahead and copy the same thing that I have mentioned right here. Now this is a very powerful code that will help to scan and restore all of the bad images or the errors in your PC. And once you are done with it, again go ahead and restart your PC, and once you open it, the problem must be solved. If not, the third step is in the search bar, go ahead and search for the option of restore point. Now as you can see, there is a suggestion, just tap on it or double tap on it and something like this is popped up. And now for mostly your local disk will be on for the protection. So if it is on, you can go ahead and tap in system restore, and then you can follow the next parts. You can just tap on next and just tap on apply, and this will also help to restore your problem. For me, however, this feature was not available. So that's a wrap for how to fix bad image error in Windows. Thank you so much for watching.